Hello everybody, this is me Johan here. Now most of you would have seen the title of this video. So I'm just going to address one thing straight away. The iPhone SE 2 clearly beats the Pixel 4a in three areas. Number one, it's the chip. Come on, the A13 Bionic is obviously going to be way more powerful than the Snapdragon 730 used in the Pixel 4a. And number two, it's got an official IP67 water rating, which the Pixel 4a does not have. And number three, it's got wireless charging, which again the Pixel 4a does not have. But there are many areas where the Pixel 4a has the iPhone SE 2 clearly beaten. And these are the areas where it clearly beats the iPhone SE 2.
First and foremost has got to be the display size. With a 5.8-inch display, it definitely has the edge over the Apple iPhone SE 2's tiny 4.7-inch display. Plus, with minimal bezels, it looks like a modern smartphone and will continue to look dated for a few years from now as compared to the now outdated look on the iPhone SE 2. To add to its advantages over here, the Pixel will use an OLED display which will be way superior to the LCD used in the iPhone. Next, the resolution of the display. The Pixel 4a clearly gains ground over here too, having a full HD plus 1080p display compared to the now very under par 750p display on the SE 2. Adding into account, the AMOLED display will make media content watching way superior on the Pixel 4a. Next, the battery life. With a power-efficient Snapdragon 730 chip and an OLED 1080p display to run, and Google's great optimizations, the Pixel 4a, although having an average size cell of 3080 mAh, will deliver above average battery life and will easily get very heavy power users through an entire workday on a single charge with some juice left at the end of the day. The SE 2 over here won't even stand a chance, as its battery life with a meager 1821 mAh battery has proved to be poor for 2020 standards. Next, the headphone jack. Those of you who still like listening to music via wired earphones, the Pixel 4a will still come with a headphone jack. The quality should be great, as last year's Pixel 3a had great audio quality via the headphone jack. The iPhone, as usual, does not have the headphone jack anymore. Next, the most important factor of purchasing any smartphone, the cameras. The cameras on the Pixel 4a will almost be as good as the ones found on the Pixel 4 and 4 XL, which were as good, if not better than the ones found on the iPhone 11 series. Have a look at some leaks of shots taken on the Gcam port of the Pixel 4a's camera on a Redmi Note 7. These images look stunning and will only get better by the time the 4a is launched. The cameras on the iPhone SE are essentially the same as on the iPhone 8. They in no way will be able to compete with the 4a. In fact, I'm going very far in saying this. The Pixel 4a's cameras on most occasions will put to shame most of the phone camera pics found on phones that cost double its price. So that's it for me today, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. If you guys loved the video, I'd appreciate it if you guys could give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and do hit the bell icon so that you all get notified with the latest and greatest videos the second they are uploaded on YouTube by me. So what else can I say? Wishing all of you a tremendous day ahead of you. Ciao for now.